Hi, wanna know how to enable or disable noise cancelling on your Sony WF-C700N? So, as a first step, we would need to open this app which is named Sound Connect. And here, as you can see, we got this tab which is named Ambient Sound Control. So we have two ways how to switch between noise cancelling and ambient sound. First one is with the help of the app, and the second one is with the help of controls on your earbuds. So if you would like to enable or disable the noise cancelling manually, you can do it in this app by clicking on this icon under which you can see this text noise cancelling. Now it's enabled, and to disable it we can switch to any of these two modes, which is ambient sound, which is letting all of these sounds from your environment inside your earbuds, or turned off, which is just a standard mode. And to switch the modes with the help of your earbud, you would need to find your left earbud. Here you can see this letter L. And now to switch, aka enable or disable the noise control, we would need to click once on this sensor. So let's take a look. I'll click on it once, and now you can see that we have enabled the noise cancelling. And now if I will click once more, we are now on the ambient sound. And we can do it like this how many times you want, because this will stay like this always. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.